Today on The Explainer, we're breaking down how autonomous AI agents actually plan and act. So, how does an AI agent tackle a big, complex task from start to finish? Let's find out. Think of an agent as a model inside a control loop. It just observes, thinks, acts, and checks. This observe, think, act, check loop is basically the agent's heartbeat. It just repeats until the job's done.
Okay, that think step is where all the planning magic happens. So let's zoom in right there.
See, planning isn't just one thing, it's a few key processes all working together to build a strategy.
First up, it breaks a big goal into smaller steps. Just like making a to-do list. Then it simulates different outcomes to figure out the absolute best action to take next. And it needs both short-term and long-term memory to adapt its plan when things change.
Okay, that's the theory, but let's see how this all works with a real-world example. Let's say you give an agent this goal. It seems simple, right? But it's actually pretty complex.
And here's the plan it makes. Each little subgoal gets mapped to a specific tool or an API call.
So how does it stay on track? Well, a good plan needs checks and balances. Agents use two key tricks. It basically critiques its own work after each step, and it has to stay within its budget and time limits. And in the real world, you measure these agents by how efficient, accurate, and autonomous they are. So why is this all happening so fast? Well, it really comes down to the new AI models powering them. The latest models are just way better at the kind of multi-step reasoning that agents need to work well. So let's recap the whole thing. Here's the entire process in one simple 5-step model. So what's the big takeaway? This is a huge shift, right? We're going from just conversation to actual action. All the new breakthroughs are about making that planning loop smarter, safer, and just more reliable.